Hi, so I am Firdos Varyava, the owner of a 100-year-old company called Bharat Floorings, which makes only cement products. Today we have this beautiful green, then we have this buttercup yellow, we have this lovely peach pigment. Now what I'm going to be teaching you is a couple of techniques that are really versatile. You can use them with any mold, you can use them with pretty much any container in fact, and you can make some really beautiful effects with these techniques. Today I'm going to start with a very simple mold, which is this small little coaster mold. Let's take a cup out here and take this beautiful peach colored cement. Water to cement ratio is really important. As you keep mixing, it will start becoming smoother like a paste. So I'm going to pour it in. There's a lot of air bubbles, they're all going to come on the surface. So what's going to happen is that this is going to basically take about 1 to 2 days depending on the weather conditions. And if it feels like really hard, like rock hard, that's when you know that now it's ready to be removed from the mold.